Hello everyone. Today we are here going to read about the first chapter of Home Science is Introduction to Home Science of class 11th. So now let's start. We will read in this chapter what is home science, areas of home science. Home science is important for both boys and girls and the career option of the home science. So let's start with the first topic, what is home science? Home science is a subject not about only home, but it is a multidisciplinary field that would empower its students to improve their own quality of life and that of other members of the family. Home science subject is equally important for both boys and girls because it helps in their healthy interaction as member of their family and the society with the environment. Let's see the definition of home science. According to Lady Irwin College, as to practical science which makes the student to lead his family life successfully and solve social and economic problem easily and well. Lady Irwin College is the first college of home science established in Delhi. Other definition is home science is both an art and scientific. Home science familiar us with that art which is helpful in the scientific and planned management of home. Now we will discuss about the different scope of home science. There are different scope of home science in which first is communication and extension, food and nutrition, human development, family relation, clothing and textile, and the resource management are the different scope of home science. I will explain these all the scope is one by one. First, we will discuss about the resource management. We learn about resources available for doing household activities, proper use of resources and how to take decision for solving any problem. Second is food and nutrition. Detailed information related to food is imparted in it. It includes food nutrition, diseases caused by their deficiency and excesses, dysfunction in the body, their sources, meal planning for different member of the family, cooking method, food preservation, etc. Next is clothing and textile. In this knowledge, knowledge is imparted about different kinds of fiber, how cloth is made from these fibers, what are the properties of different types of fibers, what are the finishes given to clothes made from these fibers and how to take care of the clothes. Next scope is human development. In this, knowledge regarding the physical, mental, social, and emotional development of the child, his problems and needs, family structure, and family relation is imparted. And the last scope is communication extension. Teaching of communication extension include method of imparting and expanding knowledge of all areas of home science to everyone, particularly village people. How to make rural women financially independent, small scale industries, new technique of the agriculture. Now let's see the last topic of the chapter is career option in home science. But first of all, it is important to know the meaning of self-employment and wage employment before the training of different aspects of home science. So what is self-employment? It means that you are the owner of any production unit which is run by you and sustain the expenditure. And the wage employment is that you work for some other person and you are paid in return of the services rendered by you. So now let's see what are the major difference between self-employment and wage employment. When an individual works her or himself is termed as self-employment. When an individual works for other is termed as wage employment. The self-employment in self-employment, the individual is owner and free to make independent decision and Wage employment, the individual is called worker and is bound to follow the discussion made by the owner. In self-employment, individual enjoys the profit and suffers the loss both, and in wage employment, workers enjoy wage on the pleasure of the owner. So these are the some difference between self-employment and wage employment. Now we will see the some career option of related to the home science. As we are seeing some vocations in home science on the screen in both of ways. First is self-employment and the wage employment. These employments or career options are in food and nutrition, clothing and textile, home management and child development. In food and nutrition, the self and wage employments are in the self-employment, food preservation, home catering, home classes, dietitian, run a canteen, restaurant, dhaba and party cooking. And in wage employment, cook or supervisor in the food industry, canteen, restaurant, hotel, etc. Dietitian in a hospital and hotels, teachers in school and college. And in clothing and textile, the career opportunities are in self-employment are run a boutique, ready-made garment shop, making designer furnishing, embroidery shop, printing shop, cooking classes for cutting and tailoring. And in wage employment, pattern master, dyer, tailor, embroiderer, printer, weaver, teacher. In home management, the career options are in self-employment, interior decorator, making handicrafts, classes of flower arrangement, mehendi, rangoli, etc. And in wage employments, interior decorator in commercial complexes like offices, bank, shops, craftsmanship, housekeeper and teachers. Now in child development, the career options are in self-employment is social welfare programs, kindergarten, guidance and counseling for the children. And in wage employment, helpers in creche, counselor in school, teacher in kindergarten. The topic is completed. Thanks for watching.